The three-fingered sloth, the slowest mammal on the planet. To avoid predators, they stay hidden and quiet most of the time. But once a month, to attract a mate, female sloths break their silence with the rainforest's most piercing love song. For male sloths, life is laid back, but the female's shrill invitation is a real wake-up call. Irresistibly drawn towards her song, this male begins an epic journey, descending from the safety of the treetops in pursuit of love. As he gets closer, he ups his speed to nearly 1 mile an hour. Not that you'd notice. Finally, he makes it to the female's tree, but now he's got competition. Another male. The jungle's slowest race is on. The rivals are on a collision course. Microphones capture the close-up sounds of a rare sloth fight. Our male throws a fierce left hook, and his rival lets out a whimper. It's a sign that he's giving up, leaving our male to complete his mission and join the female. Their final coming together takes less than a minute. It seems it's the only thing sloths do quickly. United through sound, the world's slowest mammals find love in the canopy.